Drawing a card, unpacking the phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, drawing a card. This phrase can be a bit tricky for those learning English, so we're going to break it down and make it easy to understand. Let's dive in. Drawing a card is a phrase that's often used in the context of card games. It means to take a card from the deck and add it to your hand. This is a common action in many card games, such as poker or bridge. But this phrase can also be used metaphorically in different contexts. In card games, drawing a card is a basic action. It's important to understand that when you draw a card, you're taking the top card from the deck without showing it to the other players. This action is crucial in many games for building a strong hand or implementing a strategy. Outside of card games, drawing a card can be used metaphorically. It can mean taking a chance or making a selection from a number of options. For example, in a business context, when someone says they're drawing a card, they might be referring to trying a new strategy or making a pivotal decision. When learning this phrase, be careful not to confuse it with similar phrases like playing a card or dealing cards. Each of these has a different meaning in English. Playing a card means to use a card in your hand, while dealing cards refers to distributing cards to players at the beginning of a game. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, drawing a card, in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the context in which phrases are used. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in our next video.